about consistency, and so
Publications design and multimedia is really like the epitome of 21st century education because it's preparing students for a little bit of anything they're going to do beyond high school. You'll learn how to be a better communicator, how to collaborate, how to meet deadlines, but honestly, you'll just find a way to take whatever you're passionate about and channel it into creative work through writing, design, and photography.
We're a nationally award-winning multimedia program. We're essentially like the news source for around campus.
Their confidence grows just remarkably, and their skills go from, just sort of basic photography and design to truly professional level work that is being seen by thousands of people.
It teaches you time management skills and how to juggle all those different tasks that you have in high school, and I feel like that furthers your skills for like in college or maybe in a future career.
I have students who are wedding photographers. I have students who are multimedia journalists for major media outlets. I have students who are doing a lot of graphic design work in advertising or PR or web-based companies. You will walk out of those doors ready to do anything you want to do next. That's pretty cool.